people! Welcome to Cook with Bok. I used to have a show called Cook with Bok. So, ang friend ko naghabal, Cook with Bok, nag-comment sa Facebook. So, wala lang. So, welcome to Cook with Bok. Anyways, today, I'm going to make, I will try to talk in English, ha? Don't judge me, please. I will try to make, I will make pandesal. Okay, may gina-try out ko di subong negosyo. I'm trying out to sell like Filipino food, like for example, tocino, tapa, pandesal, purpuro, muna na-try ko siya. And I call it, RheaSol'sBites. Muna nga akong ginangalan sa akong nga. Hindi pa man siya negosyo kaya hindi pa siya registered. Kinanglan, di nga daan sa Netherlands siya. I-register mo tanan mo ang ginahimo. Kung baligya ka man, or whatever, because you need to pay tax. Hindi kaya ka palagi sa tax. Anyway, pandesal. Here are the ingredients of my pandesal. Flour, sugar, milk, yeast, oil, iodized salt, or pwede mo na salt na gamitin nyo, breadcrumbs, butter, baking powder, and egg. Medyo damo ni siyang ingredients kag medyo dugay sa na proseso. So I have my yeast here. I used, I think, 50 grams of yeast, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You melt the sugar in the milk, and then you put the yeast. I like using fresh yeast, not the dry ones. It's better. So, let's stay there for 10 minutes until ang yeast, magsaka ang yeast. It will, like bubbles na siya. So, okay, bago ako ng mixer, because I have a new mixer, I will use my mixer for my pandesal. Pwede man nga wala ka mixer, pero mas lawig siya kung it takes long time if you don't have a mixer. So, I will use my mixer. First step is tanan na dry ingredients like flour, sugar, salt, kag baking powder, i-mix mo siya tanan sa imo nga mixer. Kag, i-blend mo siya mga 1 minute para mag-mix siya tanan. So, inside my mixer is 4 cups of flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. I-mix ko na siya subong. Wala na on ang. Wala ko siya, natapkod sa kuryente. Okay, this time, i-blend ko na siya. So, na-mix ko na well. Na-mix ko na siya, mayo. Mixed it well. And now, we put all the wet ingredients. That is the egg, butter, cooking oil, and the yeast mixture. So, I have here the butter, cooking oil, and egg. Muna na ang i-mix ko anay first. Na-mix ko na siya well. Now, ibutan ko ng ako nga yeast mix. You see? Ang yeast ko nagsaka na. Nag-rise na siya or nag-bubbles na siya, whatever you call that. Ibutan ko na siya sa ako nga flour mixture. My yeast and my milk mixture, i-blend ko na siya 3 minutes. I-mix ko siya 3 minutes. Look at the texture. Ito sa iya. My dough is done. But before you let it rise, you put it here first, put some flour, and kailangan massage your dough. So this is my dough, and my hands are super messy. Muna ni siya, smash. Isa ka kamot kamera ko mo. So, this is our dough. So, this bowl, I put a little oil around the bowl, or inside the bowl, and then, I put our dough inside, and then we let it rise for 1 hour. Cover it with cloth or with the plastic foil, and then let it rise for about an hour. Nag-rise na ang ako na dough. Ibalik ko siya butangan ko flour. I'll put flour here, and then I'll put the dough here. Smash it a bit, and then I will cut it into 4 pieces. I-cut ko na sa 4 ang ako na dough. This time, i-shape ko na sa palaba, kag i-cut ko na siya into small pieces. And here, I prepared my, what do you call this? Breadcrumbs. I will show it to you later. How do I use the breadcrumbs? Gin-shape ko na palaba ang ako nga, ang isa ka dough, ang isa ka parts ng dough. Gin-cut ko na siya in small pieces. And then, what do I do with the dough? Kuha ko isa. I'll put this in the breadcrumbs. Tapos, paliguan ko siya sa breadcrumbs. And then, butang ko siya sa ako nga baking plate. Yes! My pandesal is done! Look at this! Yeah. This is so beautiful. Don't forget, that is the time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, RheaSol'sBites. Yes, RheaSol'sBites. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodaloo.